Alright guys, so finally we're gonna do my truck. I've been doing all these vehicles and it's finally my time to do a truck. So we're gonna do a full package, everything spotless, gonna be clean and ready for winter, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video and let's get it done, guys. Alright guys, so I'm putting ceramic coat right now and I want to show you something cool. Check this out. So right here, this side, I put ceramic coat. Right here, I still didn't do it. So I just want to show you some cool trick. So I'm gonna put my hand and I'm gonna slide it this way and try to hear the sound. So ceramic coated, I'm pushing hard on it door. Listen, smooth, 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 smooth. See, rough surface. Smooth, 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 smooth. Rough surface. So that's the awesome thing, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and give it thumbs up. Yeah, it wasn't too bad at cleaning a truck because I keep my cars always clean. So that's why it was pretty easy to clean it. I bought the truck in May, so I never washed it. So that was the first time I cleaned it. The full package, it looks amazing. But anyways guys, I'll see you next time. Just stay tuned for the next video. We're definitely gonna do undercoating under the truck. So I got all this good stuff up here. So we're definitely gonna do undercoating. Maybe I will do video, I don't know. I'm definitely gonna do my Corolla and my wife's car today. So we're gonna do that today. So what else I was gonna tell you guys? I didn't show you all the clips because I'm just by myself. I don't have a cameraman with me today.